Is the OnePlus Nord 5 still worth it after 6 months? We bought this phone on launch day, and we've put it through its paces, daily commutes, gaming marathons, and countless app updates. Now, we're revealing the truth about its battery life, software stability, and whether it holds up for the long haul. You might be surprised by what we found. Did you know that the OnePlus Nord series has consistently ranked as one of the best budget smartphones since its launch, even outpacing some flagship models in performance? The OnePlus Nord 5 sits comfortably in the mid-range segment, boasting specs that make it a strong contender against other popular smartphones. This device has garnered a lot of attention for its impressive performance and affordable price tag. One of the key reasons for its popularity is the balance it strikes between features and cost. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the Nord 5 seems to have something for everyone. OnePlus as a brand has come a long way since its inception, primarily known for offering high-end smartphones at flagship prices. However, with the launch of the Nord series, they made a strategic move into the mid-range market. The Nord 5 is part of this series, which has been well received for its value-for-money proposition. It represents a significant step in OnePlus's journey to democratize premium features. The Nord series was first introduced to cater to the budget-conscious consumer without compromising on performance. Since then, it has seen several iterations, each improving upon the last. The launch of the Nord 5 was highly anticipated, given the success of its predecessors. It aimed to continue this legacy by offering cutting-edge features at an affordable price. OnePlus Nord 5 features a stunning display that makes watching videos or browsing through your gallery a delight. With a high refresh rate, the screen offers smooth visuals, making it perfect for gaming and video playback. The device is equipped with a versatile camera system, allowing you to capture life's moments in stunning detail. Introduction: a mid-range challenger with high ambitions. When the OnePlus Nord 5 first launched in July 2025, it marked a new strategic bet for OnePlus, bring near flagship performance and features into a mainstream price segment without compromising the brand's core values of speed, software polish, and user experience. 6 months later, now in early 2026, the phone has settled into the market, faced price fluctuations, user feedback, software updates, and the inevitable comparison with newer devices. This article will break down every angle: performance, battery life, cameras, software, real-world impressions, and long-term value. By the end, you'll have a clear idea whether the Nord 5 still stands tall or has been outpaced by the competition. 1. First impressions then and now. Upon launch, the Nord 5 drew attention for packing some serious hardware into a mid-range price tag, including a large OLED screen, powerful chipset, and massive battery, features often reserved for much more expensive devices. What it brought to the table. At launch, the Nord 5 stood out for a combination of display: a 6.83-inch 144Hz AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 10-bit color, and extremely high brightness levels, one of the best in its class. Performance: powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a powerful and efficient mid to high-end chipset that delivered flagship-like responsiveness. Battery and charging: a 6,800 mAh battery with 80W SuperVOOC fast charging for quick top-ups and long endurance. Cameras: dual rear setup with a 50MP main sensor WAH and an 8MP ultrawide, plus a 50MP front camera capable of 4K video. Software: shipped with OxygenOS 15 on Android 15, ensuring modern features and long-term updates. This combination positioned the Nord 5 as one of the best values for people who wanted premium hardware without the premium price. 2. Performance: day-to-day in gaming. Raw power that still impresses. Even halfway into 2026, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside the Nord 5 continues to deliver smooth performance in everyday tasks, multitasking, and most gaming scenarios. The chipset was one of the fastest in its category at launch, and it still holds up against many newer mid-range challengers. For daily apps like messaging, social media, browsing, and streaming, the experience remains fluid. Intensive games run well at medium to high settings depending on optimization, and users rarely notice frame drops or major slowdowns. GPU performance isn't flagship class, but it's well above what you expect at this price. Heat and throttling? Mixed feedback. Some users report occasional heating under sustained gaming or heavy workloads, though this is not unique to the Nord 5 and often software-related. Many such issues have been addressed in updates, and community feedback suggests that while thermal management isn't perfect, it's acceptable for typical use. Verdict: performance still exceeds many rivals in the sub 35,000 rupee price bracket, making it a strong contender in 2026. 3. Battery life and charging. Longevity that lasts. One of the Nord 5's strongest points is its battery life. The large 6,800 mAh cell frequently offers 1.5 to almost 2 days of moderate use. All-day endurance even under heavier usage for many users. This hasn't changed materially over 6 months and remains a key selling point compared to many newer competitors that prioritize thinness over battery longevity. Fast charging still competitive. The 80W fast charging support remains impressive. Many users report going from low battery to 80% in 30 to 40 minutes. While not the fastest available in 2026, it's still practical and far better than slower charging alternatives at similar price points. Verdict: battery is one of the Nord 5's enduring strengths and continues to deliver excellent real-world performance. 4. Display, a visual asset that still shines. The 6.83-inch AMOLED screen remains among the best you'll find on a mid-range smartphone, even 6 months on. With a 144Hz refresh rate, high peak brightness, and excellent color reproduction, it offers smooth animations and vibrant visuals that compete with more expensive rivals. Whether you're watching videos, browsing photos, or gaming, the display still holds its own in 2026. 5. Cameras, strong main shooter, mixed secondary results. Main camera, solid everyday performer. The 50MP primary sensor produces reliable results in good lighting, with decent dynamic range and sharpness. 4K video recording is A+ for content creators on a budget. Ultra-wide and other shots, competent but not class-leading. The 8MP ultra-wide camera delivers usable shots in bright conditions but lacks detail compared to flagships. This is a common mid-range compromise. Low-light performance is average, acceptable for social sharing but not for pixel peeping. Selfies from the 50MP front sensor are surprisingly good and competitive with many pricier phones. 6. Software, OxygenOS experience and updates. Software remains a defining feature of the Nord 5. OxygenOS 15 provided a clean, feature-rich Android interface at launch, and since then users have reported generally smooth, polished interactions. Many users have also updated to OxygenOS 16 without issues, appreciating the extra customization and polish. OnePlus's commitment to multiple years of OS and security updates means the phone is likely to stay relevant and secure for several more years, an edge over many competitors in this price range. 7. Pricing and value in 2026. Since launch, prices have fluctuated with sales and discounts. Around late 2025, the Nord 5 often retailed around Rs 32,000 38,000 rupees for various RAM/storage configurations, still competitive 6 months later. Events like festival sales in India have pushed prices even lower for many buyers, increasing the overall value proposition. 8. Real-world user feedback, pros and cons. Common praises from users. Smooth performance and clean software even after updates. Battery longevity and fast charging remain highlights. Display quality widely appreciated. Common complaints. Some heating under heavy loads reported. Ultra-wide camera quality and some minor camera/software quirks. Initial upgraded components versus previous Nord models left some users wishing for flagship tier breadth. In summary, user impressions skew positive, with many reporting satisfaction after living with the device for months. 9. Comparisons with alternatives in 2026. Even as newer phones launch, the Nord 5's balance of performance, battery, software support, and price keeps it competitive. While phones with higher resolution cameras or faster charging exist, they often sacrifice in other areas: display quality, software polish, or long-term software support, where the Nord 5 still impresses. 10. Final verdict: still worth it in 2026? Yes, absolutely, with caveats. The Nord 5 remains a strong mid-range smartphone in early 2026, especially if you can find it at discounts or sale prices. It offers excellent display quality, strong real-world performance, long battery life and solid fast charging, clean software experience with future updates, good main camera and satisfactory selfie performance. While it may not beat flagship-class phones in every spec sheet category, its balance of core features and value for money proposition means it still deserves serious consideration if you're in the market for a smartphone in the Rs 30,000 35,000 rupee range. 11. Quick summary. From a technical standpoint, the Nord 5 packs a powerful processor that ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking or playing demanding games. The battery life is another strong point, with a sizable battery that easily lasts a day of heavy use. Software is also a critical aspect, with the Nord 5 running on OxygenOS, known for its clean interface and useful features. This operating system ensures that your interactions with the device are intuitive and efficient. The display quality of the Nord 5 is certainly one of its highlight features, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks. When it comes to cameras, the device does not disappoint, with a primary sensor that captures detailed photos. The battery, too, has been a point of improvement, supporting fast charging. Performance-wise, the Nord 5 stands out, thanks to its capable processor. This ensures that apps launch quickly and games run smoothly. The software experience on the Nord 5 is enhanced by OxygenOS, which offers a near-stock Android experience. The OnePlus Nord 5 does come with its set of strengths, such as impressive performance and a great display. However, like any device, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users might find the camera performance in low-light conditions to be a bit lacking. In terms of battery life, while it's generally good, heavy users might find themselves needing to charge it by the evening. Despite these, the Nord 5's strengths, including its fast charging capability and software experience, make it a compelling choice. When you look at the mid-range market in 2026, there are several smartphones that compete directly with the Nord 5. Devices from brands like Samsung, Google, and Xiaomi offer similar features at comparable prices. The Samsung Galaxy A series, for example, is known for its reliable performance and good camera quality. Similarly, Google's Pixel series offers excellent camera performance, though at a slightly higher price point. Comparing these devices, the OnePlus Nord 5 holds its ground well, thanks to its balanced feature set. It's clear that the Nord 5 has its strengths, making it a competitive choice in the crowded mid-range market. Conclusion. I've had the chance to use the OnePlus Nord 5 as my daily driver, and it's been a pleasant experience. The device handles everyday tasks with ease, and I've been impressed with its performance. One particular standout moment was during a gaming session. The Nord 5 handled the graphics smoothly without any lag. The battery life has also been satisfactory, easily lasting me through a day of use. These personal experiences have solidified my opinion that the Nord 5 is a reliable choice for daily use. Considering its features, performance, and price, the OnePlus Nord 5 is still a worthwhile purchase in 2026. It's especially suitable for those looking for a balanced smartphone experience without breaking the bank. The device is perfect for users who prioritize performance, display quality, and a good camera system. However, it's essential to weigh your needs and compare it with other options before making a decision. Ultimately, the Nord 5 offers great value for its price, making it a compelling option in the mid-range segment. If you're considering the OnePlus Nord 5, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Have you had any experiences with this device, or perhaps you're eyeing it as your next smartphone? Your opinions and questions are valuable, so please, don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in more tech reviews and comparisons, be sure to check out my channel for the latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your input helps not just me but also the community make informed decisions about their tech purchases.